হ্যালো দেয়ার। ধরুন কোন ইভেন্ট বা কোনো দাওয়াতে শুধু আপনি দাওয়াত পেয়েছেন, কিন্তু আপনার বন্ধু বা রুমমেট সে দাওয়াত পায়নি, কিন্তু আপনি রিয়েলি চান যে তাকেও আপনার সাথে নিয়ে যেতে। সো সেটা, এই যে আপনার ইচ্ছাটা যে আপনার বন্ধুকে নিয়ে আপনি যেতে চান বা ইনভাইট করতে চান আপনার সাথে, সেইটা ইংরেজিতে কিভাবে সুন্দর করে বলা যায় সেটা আজকে জানবো লোকের কাছ থেকে। লাইক, হাউ ক্যান উই express if you want to bring a friend or roommate to an event or something?
That's a good question. My freshman year, I had a roommate, and when we were moving into the dorm, his dad like pulled me aside. He said, "Hey, try and get him out of his shell a little bit." So I said, "Okay." And we always had people in our room, which at first he hated, but also I'd want to take him to stuff that I was invited to. So if someone invites you and you want to invite someone that you can say something like, "Hey, do you mind if my friend tags along? Do you mind if they come with?" You will say, "Oh, that sounds fun. I think I think James would really enjoy this. Do you mind if I invite him too?" All of those things are kind of nice, polite ways. And then you can also say, if there isn't room, if that would be too many people, if you just want it to be us, don't worry, because then they don't feel pressured to
Okay.
accept and say yes.
Okay. Alright. খুবই সুন্দর কয়েকটা expressions. প্রথমত হচ্ছে, do you mind if my friend tags along? That's very a cool way of asking someone whether you can bring a friend of yours. Another way you can say that, hey, do you mind if I invite my friend? এটা হতে পারে। আরেকটা ওয়েতে বলতে পারেন just, hey, should we invite John? So either way works. So these are three nice, cool way you can express that you want to bring your friend also with you. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you later. Bye.